The topic of today's video is how to fix disabled accounts can't be contacted problem on Instagram. Alright, so of course the first step would be to make sure you're on the latest version of Instagram. Now here we are in a chat, and what we're going to do is we're going to either restrict the user and then unrestrict them, or block them and then unblock them. So let's click on the top here by their profile name. And then we'll click on options on the right hand side. Then we can click on restrict, or we can click on block. Remember to try them both if the one doesn't work, and vice versa. Now when you want to unblock somebody, all you need to do is click on your profile icon, go to the top right, then you want to scroll down till you see restricted, or of course blocked. And that should fix your problem, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.